Sit back down.
You guys can all sit if you want to. We're not going to sing yet. We're going to meet these guys first. Ladies and gentlemen, a truck that's been around for 30-some years under the same promoter. Remember when I said it's been a rough summer? Here's living proof. Ladies and gentlemen, the biggest red balloon nose in the
I like how he shot the confetti. That was awesome.
Some riders just don't need introduction. Some trucks don't need introduction.
Yeah, that one is
And he gets to try driving a monster truck. It's his 7th opportunity. Keep that in mind when you judge this contest. Remember what you see, because this is the defending wheelie world champion, or Michigan world champion, whatever you want to call it. Here comes the most he is the slap wheel king. Him and John Foley will both be throwing slap wheelies at us today. It's going to Lawson, Canada, up north of North Bay, and then he's going back through the wheelie blocks. Uh-oh, wrong way. Different events, and he never ceases to amaze me. Ladies and gentlemen, in a truck they call Axe. Let's bring out Joe Foley. If you have a ticket for those Lions tickets, yeah, I told you. Oh, Jones, number 10. They like those concrete barricades. Uh-oh, Joe's gonna try one too. He went rocket. He ain't done. He wants to hit some cars.
Again?
But a world champ.
Sit down so people can
Ladies and gentlemen, out of top world monster jam champion, a monster truck hall of famer, it's Jim Cole. High flying. What's he doing? What in the world is Kohler doing now?
He think because he did good and follow Bill and not stop you. No, I'm just playing. Prove me wrong.
If the kids can do it, so can he.
let her stand there.
He must have a backup camera on that thing. Nobody's guiding him in, or is he just that good? That safety's there. We got
I couldn't see who won.
Taking out half of his body. looking at the three.